Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys missed me because I missed you guys, but it is wedding season, wedding season. Literally, I honestly, every time I do these DIYs, I always have paint on my hands and my nails are chipped. This is ridiculous. Anyways, but why? Because I repurposed furniture. So that's what happens when you repurpose furniture. Channel. I am so sorry that I did not do a Try It Out Tuesday last week. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But I was working on 3 separate projects. If you do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you would totally know that. But that's why we did not have a Try It Out Tuesday last week. OMG, working on 3 projects and having a baby is just like, oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm gonna do when she starts to actually walk and stuff, because that's gonna be a challenge. But anyways, so today for our Try It Out Tuesday, we're gonna be making cloches, if I'm saying that right. I think I am. But the lady that I'm gonna have this pinned down below, pin it. I'm not gonna pin it. I'm gonna link it down below. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can click on it if you wanna check it out. She actually did hers with birds, and like she's a Spanish moss and made it like a nest and everything. But my bird that I got was not cooperating with me, so we had to chuck the deuces to him, and I just turned this into a wedding themed DIY because it is wedding season, so it was perfect. So we are going to be making table number centerpieces for your table, and I think it's cute. It's simple, it's budget friendly, and girls, if you get your bridesmaids to do it, I'm sorry bridesmaids, but I think it's gonna be like so fun and so easy, so don't get too mad. But anyways, so I'm gonna stop talking. Oh wait, before I get into the materials though, if you're not subscribed to me, make sure you click on that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you do click on the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And now we can get into our materials. All right, so for our materials, you're going to need some spray paint, a candle holder, a flat candle holder, a bowl, a knob of your choice, scissors, paintbrush, twine, glue gun, burlap ribbon, and flowers. All right, so the first things first, we are going to remove the sticker. So this is going to be a quick hack for you guys. If you did not know, all you have to do to remove a sticker is just use warm or hot water, take some soap, and then take any scrub brush or scrub sponge and just scrub it off. And it comes off very easily. You won't have any sticky residue or anything like that. So now we're going to take our E6000 and we are going to glue these 2 candle holders together. Now what I like to do when I center my pieces, I center from looking at the top, and then I also get a side view to make sure that it's centered there as well. So now our next step is adding our knob to the base of the bowl. We're going to use E6000 to do that. And again, when you're centering, you want to center from the top, and you also want to center from the side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take some twine and I'm just going to wrap it around the bottom base of the knob. Take this burlapped polka dot ribbon, which I got from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was super cute, so I had to purchase it. But we're just going to wrap it around the base of our stand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up, and it's going to create the slants in the ribbon. All right, so now we're gonna create our bow, and as always, we're just going to take our two sides, put it in the center, hot glue it, and then pinch the center and wrap it with our twine. So now we're going to paint our number 4, which is going to represent table number 4. I got this number from JoAnn's. It actually came in a pack with other wooden letters and, wooden numbers, and it cost literally less than $10 using a coupon. So unfortunately, our 4 was a little bit too tall, so what I had to do was cut off the end and then hot glue it to the top of our stand, and it worked out perfect. All right, guys, so that's the end of our DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is super fast. Like, depending on how many tables, you can get this done in a day. Anyways, yes, if you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.